Hi, I'm Chef Gail Sokol and welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to give you one of my best tips, how to steady a bowl. And I used to always have trouble with this. You're making a custard, you have your egg yolks in here, you have your sugar, and here's your hot milk or hot cream, and everything is moving around. This is hot as anything, this is moving. How do you steady this bowl when you're by yourself and you don't have a helper? And I'm not an octopus, and I don't think you are either. So let me give you two ways to steady a bowl with just a everyday kitchen towel. It's got to be a clean kitchen towel. Get it, put it under the sink so it's sort of moist, a little bit more than moist, and wring it out really, really well. So one way is to put it into, fold it lengthwise, fold it again lengthwise, and then just get it into like a ring, all right? Like a little nest. And then put your bowl in that nest and it shouldn't move. So when you're whisking and you're pouring, this is going nowhere. Perfect. That's one. Another way is to just moisten the same towel and put this down like that and just steady it and see, it moves around a little bit. Let's open this towel up. Give us a little more area. That's better. So each towel is different. Take your kitchen towel and make sure that you can move this and whisk and that bowl doesn't go anywhere. And then you can add your cream. You can add anything you want and the bowl is steady as a rock. I hope you become a subscriber. I hope you use this tip. Until next time.